Hi guys, in this video we have a Hyundai Santa Fe and I'll quickly show you how you can release its park brake and later engage it back. So I'll start the car, foot on the brake, press on the start stop button, the car is turned on. Now again foot on the brake. To release the park brake you will have to push this P button away from you. When you do that, the park brake is being released. Now similarly, to engage it, again foot on the brake and then pull it towards you. So I'll just release the park brake and let's say the park brake was engaged. If I were to put it in either drive, reverse and forcefully go ahead, the park brake does get disengaged. You saw that. So that's one way, but it's not recommended. And when you put it in P, the car does not engage the park brake, so I'll switch it off and switch it back on. You can see that the park brake is not engaged, so always ensure to engage the park brake, otherwise it just puts load on the transmission and in the long run it won't be good for the vehicle. Yeah, hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.